Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we will swipe down from the top of our screen, and then somewhere in this area you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. And here we're looking for hotspot, which for me is visible right here. Once you see it, you can either tap on it to turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can, number one, find your hotspot password, which will be randomly generated. I recommend changing it to something that will be a little bit easier for you to remember, and it will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Next we have the AP band, so we have 2.4, 5, or 2.4 and 5, then 5, and then 6. Now, you can choose whichever one you want. Just know that the way it's set by default is what could be considered compatibility mode, so it uses less energy and also allows you to connect with virtually every device that supports basically Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm gonna stick with. Make sure you select save once you change anything, and yeah, you can turn it on and off from here at any point in time, and you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will run indefinitely in the background, I think, right? Yeah, it looks like it will. So yeah, anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.